Emory-Outdoors, and I'm back at Browns Creek, and today we're definitely going after some reds. It's a high tide right now, and so we're going to be fishing on an outgoing tide here in a little bit. And the water was really high. I've never seen it this high since I've been coming here. I got a little bit of rigging up to do. Could have done in the car, but I wanted to get out on the boat. The weather is going to be an issue today. There's some storms offshore and they might push on, so we're definitely going to not go too far, but we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on the weather. So I looked at the radar before I started and it looked good, so here's hoping we catch some fish and make it back to the car before the rain. All right. Using the Sabiki rig, and trying to catch some bait fish. And I caught this little beauty. Nice little red. He's about 8 inches long. There we go. Off we go. All right, we caught a fish. Caught a little red on the Sabiki rig. I'm hoping to catch some bait fish, but you know, fish is a fish. All right, car loaded, all my stuff put away. And, the storm I was watching, still a good distance away. It hasn't moved very far. I'll drive through it. Maybe it'll wash the car and the boat off. I'll have to go that way. Get home off the water in plenty of time. So, just paying attention to my surroundings. We're off. Caught one little redfish today. It was the only fish I caught. I had a couple bites. I caught some of those ladyfish and didn't manage to get them to the boat. Man, they're sure fun to catch because they jump out of the water and they're shaking, and they let you, they get close to the boat and then they get away. But yeah, it's fun. So I hooked 2 of those, and I got them almost all the way to the boat. Keep trying on that. But yeah, have a great day.